Hello friends, today we are going to see lecture on entrepreneurship development. In this we'll study the topic entrepreneur, the meaning of entrepreneur, definition, characteristics of entrepreneur. The word entrepreneur is derived from the French verb entreprendre. It means to undertake. And the Irish economist Richard Cantillon used this term entrepreneur to business in the year 1775. And Jean Baptiste, the French economist, was the first person to coin the word entrepreneur in about 1800. Now we'll see the meaning of an entrepreneur. Who is an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is a person who possesses new enterprise, venture, firm or idea and is accountable or is considered as a responsible for the risk and the outcome that he gets from that particular firm or venture. Secondly, the term entrepreneur applies to someone who creates value by offering a product or service, by carving out a niche in the market that may not exist currently. It means he is the person who creates such type of a product which is extraordinary or excellent in that particular specific area and which may not exist currently, which is not available currently in the market. The person who produces such type of a product or service is called as an entrepreneur or is an entrepreneur. Now we'll see few definitions according to the prominent scientist in this field. First definition of entrepreneur according to Parikh and Nadkarni in the year 1978, that is, an entrepreneur is one who initiates and establishes an economic activity or enterprise. It means, according to him, an entrepreneur is a person who starts or establishes, who runs successfully an economic activity or an enterprise or the firm. Second, according to Khandwala, an entrepreneur is one who is willing and able to initiate and successfully manage for a length of time an activity that involves at least some degree of personal and organizational risk. So it means an entrepreneur is one who is willing and able to initiate, who has a desire and who is able to start and successfully manage the activity for a particular span of time and which involves the some kind of a risk that may be personal risk or the organizational risk. Now we'll see the definition according to Joseph Scumter. Joseph Scumter is the father of entrepreneurship development. So according to him, an entrepreneur in an advanced economy is an individual who introduces something new in the economy. That may be a method of production, a product, a new source of raw material or a new market which is not yet known to the people or which is an innovation for the other people. So, according to him, an entrepreneur may be any manufacturer, maybe any retailer, trader, or he may be any person involved in the supply chain management, etc., involved in any kind of economic activity. Now we'll see the characteristics of entrepreneurship or entrepreneurial characteristics, or we can say the characteristics of entrepreneur. Now we'll see the characteristics of entrepreneurship or entrepreneurs. First is need to achieve. Entrepreneur should have very strong desire to achieve his goal or objectives. He should be intrinsically motivated to achieve something. This feeling to achieve something leads the entrepreneurs to achieve a great success or make his dreams come true. Second character is independence. Most of the entrepreneurs start their own enterprise because they dislike to work under pressure or to work for others. So they prefer to be their own boss and likes to be responsible for their own decisions that may be right or wrong. Third character is risk bearing or ability to take risk. This is foremost trait of entrepreneurship. Starting any business involves a considerable amount of risk of failure, or we can say some amount of risk of failure. Therefore, the entrepreneurs need the courage and capacity to take the said risk and are and uh, usually the entrepreneurs prefer to take the moderate type of risk. Fourth character is innovation, or we can say innovators. It is a significant or important character that every entrepreneur is I should have this character or should be like an innovator. Innovation basically means generating a new idea with which you can start a business and achieve profits. It can be in the form of a product, launching of a product that no one is selling in the market, or it can be in the form of a process or method. That method may help you to perform or work more efficiently. So such type of innovations are always welcomed, and hence this character of being an innovator is very essential in the entrepreneurship. Next character is locus of control. Entrepreneurs believe that they are responsible for the success or failure of the enterprise. They are willing to take credit of success but are equally prepared to accept the blame or take the responsibility of failures too. They do not believe that success or failures depend upon any luck or fate. Rather, they believe that the success is dependent upon the hard work they perform or hard work they do. Next character is long term involvement. The entrepreneurs make commitment for a long term project, and they also commit the long term work to achieve their goal. Next character is self confidence. Studies also have shown that successful entrepreneurs have high level of self confidence. They have confidence in their own capabilities, abilities to achieve the goals set by them. Then, next character is money as measure of performance. For entrepreneurs, money is a tool to judge their performance. Profits, profits, then gains, net worth are seen as a measure of how well an entrepreneur is doing. The entrepreneur is always involved in the process of making money, going out and investing it in another ventures or a firm, and then starting all over again. So, the main aim of an entrepreneur to do the business or set up an enterprise is to make money. Next important character is ability to find and explore opportunities. Entrepreneurs should have ability to find or seek the opportunities and grab them for the benefit of venture or his enterprise. They usually are able to convert the problems and challenges into the opportunities. Next character is hope of success. Entrepreneurs are very positive people who always hope for the success of their firm. Positive thinking helps them to achieve their goal or desired objective. Next character is resource utilization or use of resources. Successful entrepreneurs are always aware about the resources whatever they have, and they always try to utilize them very efficiently for the benefit of their firm. Next character is flexibility. Entrepreneurs should be flexible because in case of any wrong decision or any negative consequence or result, they should be able to take a U-turn or change their decision or reverse their decision which is taken before. Next character is analytical ability of mind. Entrepreneurs should be practical, they should not be emotional, because analytical thinking or practical thinking is very much important in running up smooth running up of an enterprise. For example, in case of any problem in the process of operations or any method of operation, instead of taking the advice from friends or relatives, the entrepreneur should take the advice from the experts. That is the analytical thinking. So in such case, this analytical thinking ability is very much important in the entrepreneurship. Next character is uh, seek feedback and learning from experience. So, in this, the entrepreneurs usually get feedback about their products or services. If the positive feedback is there, it encourages them to work more hard, while the negative or unfavorable information, uh, it don't divert them from their aim or the goal, but they try to learn from the experiences and try to improve their product or services. Next characters are interpersonal skills and business communication skills. Entrepreneurs need to interact all levels of people, from scientists, top level management to grass level people like laborers. They have to interact with outsiders like traders, retailers, or raw material suppliers. Hence, they should possess good interactional skill or interpersonal skill, and also should be proficient in written and verbal skills of business communication. Then the next character is need to influence others or leadership skills. Entrepreneurs should possess good leadership skill as they have to motivate, encourage the workforce of their enterprise or employees of their enterprise to work hard and efficiently to achieve their goals and objectives, so that it may give the economic or monetary terms of benefit to the entrepreneur. On today's topic, usually the question asked are few objective type of important questions, which already we have discussed before, and the subjective type of question asked is that define entrepreneur and enlist the characteristics of entrepreneur and explain few of them, or enlist the characteristics of entrepreneurship and explain them in short. So such type of subjective questions are asked for 8 marks. So this was all about today's lecture. Well, thank you very much.